Hello guys, I'm Alan Quaz. To tell you in this tutorials how to find out sales area or sales region of any iPhones, where it was purchased first of all. It's very essential to know before executing to unlock any particular iPhone's device. If we are unable to customize the precise location of any iPhones, then of course it will go in a carrier logs, or we are unable to have the good configuration in Apple data or cloud database server to unlock it. So how do you find out? Firstly, we will see that, and the point of course I will show you in the next tutorial coming, so that how to unlock so by using especially of course by customizing of the precise location. Either it is a time screen passcode, iCloud, lock to owners, or in a case lost mode, blacklist stolen mode. In its solutions, of course, for in its problems, we can fix it, we can address this cancer issue. So firstly, let's know how it is possible. Firstly, we will tap on a setting, guys. Setting 2, of course, we will have to come in a general. General 2, we will have to tap on a model. In update and update in about, we will have to tap on about. In about here is a sales model. When we're talking about the sales model, you can check it out here. Just to see, guys, sales model. You can check it out. The sales model means HN/A. What is the indicating means? It's indicating India how it is possible. Just we can check it out here. See. If we go on a Google's, the reason code HN/A is indicating that device is intended for sell in India. So friends, we have gotten it. Now by a country code, how can I, especially if it is not that? Yes, so we can check it out here. Now see, HN is equal to here. You can check it out this. So how easily we can find out? But if this is already locked, so that we are unable to operate this, so in that condition simply we will have to use this device into the computer or PC with the help of data cable and go for an administration, that is a 3U tool, and here sales region code is indicating. Just check it out here. This is how easily we can find out. So we have a 3 solution. By using that, we can easily find out sales area or of course sales region of any iPhones, and if we know that, it will very easy to customize precise location on the basis of we will have the good data, good cloud database server, and therefore of course easily we can terminate. Sometimes with the help of jailbreaks, if we turn off especially or unlocks any iPhones, but after restarting it will go in a network carrier log, it will go in a once again there on a similar situation. So just in a previous situation, so do the similar status. Firstly find out, then go for execution. And suppose I am Hong Kong, and this is especially sales area, especially that is especially that's indicating India, then we will have to customize precise location, that should be Hong Kong, and then we will go for unlocks on this device. Easily it will work. So this is all about in this video tutorials. How to like these tutorials? Drop the comments below the comment box. Query either is especially admirable or the feedback. So this is all about. Thank you for watching Technology Welfare. Have a great time. Bye bye. Thank you very much indeed.